Hello friends, subscribers, and new viewers of this channel. In this video tutorial, I will explain how to disable Copilot in PowerPoint. Namely, recently Microsoft have enabled Copilot in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. And for some users, Copilot is not necessary and it might be annoying. So for example, if you type over here, you will see this icon or button, and if you click here, Copilot will open and you can actually rewrite this text. Okay, so let's learn how to disable it. Now, first of all, click here on File, and first of all, make sure that your PowerPoint is up to date. To update the PowerPoint, click here, then click on your account, and then expand here and click on Update Now to update everything, and your PowerPoint should be updated. Now, after PowerPoint and Microsoft Office are updated, let's disable it. So click on File, then over here you need to click on Options, and over here you will see this Copilot button. So click here and click OK, and this should disable Copilot, at least when you're writing here. So let's test this. Copilot doesn't appear, which is really good. Let's now restart and start again PowerPoint, and let's see the effect. Over here you will see that the Copilot button is completely disabled, and after you run again, Copilot will not appear. So let's again enable it to make sure that everything is okay. So let's click here, Copilot, enable, click OK, and now you have to restart and the button will appear here again.